Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Nada and I am from Computer Science Department of IIIT Kota. So we are going to make a night lab on Tinkercad today, so let's start. Firstly, we'll select a breadboard. We'll click on it, then drag it to the middle. We'll drag it to the middle. Now we'll select the Arduino. Arduino, we'll click on it. Then again we'll drag it in the middle. 1 minute. Yeah. Yes. Now we are going to select a bulb or an LED. We'll select an LED and we'll connect it in the breadboard like this. Yeah. Now we'll select a photoresistor which will detect light and we will connect this to the breadboard. Yes. We are gonna choose now resistor which will control the current flowing in the breadboard. Let's make this 2.2 to 220 ohm. Yes. Now we'll rotate it. Yes. Now we'll connect it to just below the LED bulb. Yeah. Now again we'll take one more resistor and let's rename this to 4.8 and we'll again connect this. We'll firstly rotate this. Now we'll connect it just below the photoresistor which will connect the current flowing in the photoresistor. Yes. Now we are going to connect breadboard to the Arduino. For that we will need wires and now we are going to connect it with the help of wires. So we'll just point the ground terminal on the Arduino and we'll connect it to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Now we'll take some voltage and we'll select the voltage terminal. Then we'll connect it to the positive terminal of the breadboard. Like this. Yes. Now we are going to connect the LEDs and the photoresistor. For that we'll connect it to the positive terminal. Wait, it is connected to the negative terminal. We'll firstly delete it and we'll connect it to the positive terminal. Yes. Again we'll going to do the same. We'll point out just below the LED bulb and we'll connect it to the negative terminal. Yes. And again just below the photoresistor and we are going to connect it to the negative terminal. It looks fine. Now just we'll connect the resistor to the we can connect to any terminal we'll connect it to 9 volt, ninth one. Yes. And this one too. We'll connect it to the NA login which is down. That it will take the input. Connecting it to the A naught. Yes. It looks fine now. The wiring is done. Great. And now we're going to go to the code part. We'll select blocks and text. We'll firstly delete this code. And whatever we'll do here will be displayed on the right side of the panel in form of code. So let's go to the variable option. We'll create a variable. Let's name it sensor. Yes, which is going to help us to detect light with the help of photoresistive current. We'll have to drag it down to the middle. Yes, yes. And now it's done. Great. Now we are going to input option, and for we'll select the read analog pin, and we'll push it down to the 0 part. This is what we'll take input with. Now let's go to the output part for the LED bulb to glow, and for this we'll select this one and we'll connect it just below the one. Again, now we'll have to adjust it according to the sensor. So we're going to the maps option and we'll select the map, and we are going to push it to the 0 button so that it glows according to the sensor. We'll select it to the 9th port since it is connected to the 9th terminal. Yeah, looks great till now. Now we'll have to again go to the variable option and select the sensor since it glows when the sensor detects it. Now we'll select it to the 0 port. Yeah. Now let's just add it somewhat and rename it 250. It looks great now. And whatever we have done is shown on the right side of the screen in form of C++ code. So coding is done. I think it is correct. Now let's close this coded window. And we'll add another object. We'll add a multimeter which will detect voltage or current. Yes, we'll drag it down to the breadboard. Yes. Now we'll connect this multimeter to this positive and the negative terminal. Firstly, we'll select the negative terminal and connect it to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Yes, and we'll connect the positive terminal just below the resistor, just below the first resistor. Yes. Now everything seems perfect. Now we'll have to start the simulation in order to see if it's correct or not. Starting. Yeah, it is working perfectly. Now we'll turn the light on and off. Firstly, it's off when the bulb is glowing. Now since we'll increase the light, the bulb is dimming little bit. Yes, and the voltage is maximum here when the bulb glows in the night, means the current is maximum here, and the current is minimum here when the sun lights up. So this is a night lamp which will glow only in the night. Thank you for watching this video.